Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing a collection of Playtive Junior vehicles. Wow, this is going to be so much fun. Let's check them out. Here we have some service vehicles. You can combine these with the railway, the motorway, or a round-the-world train set. There's a recycling truck and it even comes with a trash bin. Look, the trash can lid comes on and off, and it can even roll. So fun! Here we have the recycling truck. I love the orange color. And look, we can dump out the recycling. Yay! Dump the recycling in the truck and keep our world clean. So fun! There's also magnets that help hook our vehicles together. Here's a mail truck. We can even open up the top and take out our parcel. Wow, that's pretty neat. Let's see what other vehicles we have. Look, here's a construction truck. It's a dump truck. We can put all sorts of things inside. So fun! We also have this crane. We can raise and lower the crane too. It turns all the way around. Here's a package. Our crane can pick up the package. We should put that into the dump truck. Wow! That's super neat. Here we have some transport vehicles. Look, it's a taxi, a bus, and an airplane. Here's our taxi. I love the yellow cab. Here's our helicopter. Wow, the propeller really works. It has a propeller on the back, too. We have a street sign for a bus stop. And here's a school bus. Here we have the fire brigade set. Let's check it out. This has a fireman inside. And look, he can put on a vest for when he goes on the ski jet. He can stay safe. The ski jet comes on and off. Wow! That's so fun! And look, our fireman can be inside. Our Jeep can pull the trailer. Now we can pull the ski jet with us wherever we need it to go. So fun! Here are toy emergency vehicles. We have a police car, a fire truck, and an ambulance. This set comes with a stoplight. Red for stop and green for go. Yellow means be careful, we're about to stop. Here we have our police car. Whoa, super fun. Here we have our fire truck. It even has a ladder on top. Now we can climb up into a building and rescue people. We also have this ambulance. have 2 more sets to open up. Let's see what they are. Wow, there's a forklift set. This forklift has a crate. It also comes with a pallet. And the forklift. The fork can go up and down. And we can take our worker out of it. So fun! Okay, let's load up the crate. Wow, super! Our last set is the toy police car. This comes with a police car, handcuffs, and a police van with a folding roof. We can catch the criminal. Here's our police car. Wow, it even has sirens on top. We can take our policeman out. Here's our police van where we can put the criminals that we capture. It can hook right onto the back of the police car. Let's catch the criminal. Oh, look at that. It's pretty simple to put on. Now we've caught the criminal. Let's put him into the police van. All these city vehicles are so much fun! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.